In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. This way you can access this section called About Tablet. Now choose device name and finally type in whatever you wish to, like Sunny. Once you finish, hit rename. As you can see, after a few seconds, name of my Lenovo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!